Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's explore new thing in SAP S4 HANA, sourcing and procurement. Today also we are going to be explore one more new thing here. So whenever we are designing a new enterprise structure from SAP side, so after the definition and assignment part, we have to go for the master data. But whenever we are trying to create a material master with respect to our newly created enterprise structure, so that time we are getting the message, the material ledger not activated for the plant. So what is exactly that material ledger? So material ledger is new concept introduced in SAP S4 HANA. So before creating the any material master for newly created plant, firstly we have to activate that material ledger. So today we are going to be learn how to activate that material ledger in SAP S4 HANA sourcing and procurement. First, let me show you. So whenever we are trying to create a material master by using the MM01 for our newly created plant here, so we will be getting the message like this: material ledger must be set productive for valuation area VA10. Valuation area in the sense what? This is our plant number VA10. So we are not able to create a material master data before material ledger activation. So today we are learning how to activate that material ledger. So SAP has given the 3 T codes here: OMX3, OMX2, and OMX1. So by using these 3 T codes, first we have to check, we have to assign the material ledger, and finally by using the CKM star T code, we have to activate the material ledger for that one. So after that activation, we are able to create a material master data here. So first of all, we have to go to the T code OMX3, where we can see the assignment of your valuation area and company code with the material ledger type. And here we have to activate that status. The material ledger currency are allowed for your financial purpose here. Okay, so material ledger is more about your financial accounting purpose here. Okay, so whenever we want to keep the stock of the material into the different currencies for the different locations, so that time we have to activate this material ledger. Okay, we can keep the stock of the one material into the Indian rupees, in US dollar, or in a euro. Different country wise, if you are using the same material, similar material, then we can easily analyze that stock of the material into the different currencies. So that's why this material ledger activation is very important. So as per our valuation area, VA10 is our valuation area. So by default, SAP has given that material ledger type as a 9000, which is already assigned here. If it's not there, come to OMX3 T code, then check the valuation area and your company code, and you have to assign that material ledger type here. That is the 9000, which is the standard, and here you have to activate to the green signal here. Then you have to save the data. This is the first stage. Then what is exactly this 9000 material ledger type? How to check? Back, enter the T code OMX2, where we can get to know about this 9000 material ledger type. So go to the here, click on a position 9000, you can enter, select that 9000 material ledger type, click onto the individual characteristics. So here you will get to know that 9000 is a only company code currency is assigned to this material ledger type. If you want to see more currencies, if you want to assign, then you can assign the 30, which is called as a group currency as well. So you can able to assign the multiple currencies. Again, one more currency is there, hard currency. So these 3 type of the currencies you can able to assign to your material ledger type. So by copying from 9000, we can able to customize our material ledger type, where we can assign the multiple currencies. But as of now, we are going with the currency valuation type as a 10, which is a company code currency. So here in our condition, the company code currency is a Indian rupees. If you want to go with the multiple currencies, you can custom new and you can create and you can assign that multiple currencies to your that material ledger type. Finally, next we have to go for OMX 1D code, where we have to activate this material ledger for your valuation area. So always keep in your mind, valuation area is always your plant. So VA10 is our plant here. We are entering that. And here we have to select that plant company code, material ledger type, which is already we have assigned here. Then we have to check this material ledger activation checkbox here. Okay, ML activation. Then next, price determination. So this is very important. So how the price of that materials are going to be calculated? So there two options are recipe given: transaction based. Otherwise, you can go with the singular material. So majorly, we are going with the transaction based valuation of that material. So that's why we can just select this second option here. Check on this, see this checkbox into the green signal, and save this material ledger activation. So here setup is done by using the 3D codes OMX3, OMX2, OMX1. We have activated the material ledger activation. Finally, how to set that ML as a productive. Okay, how to solve that error. So for that, SAP has given the T code called as a CKM start, CKM start. Okay, after entering the CKM start, press enter, and here you have to just mention the plant name here. After that, just remove that background processing, entering the plant, execute. After executing, so here you can able to see that material ledger should be set productive for plant VAT is done here. So here you can able to see which currency is available for this plant, INR, which is the company code currency. Only single currency here we are going to be exploring for this material here. As per your requirement, if you're dealing with the MNC companies, so you can go with the multiple currencies for that company, correct? So that time you can use the different currencies for the single company code as well here. Okay, come back again, remove the test run for the final setup of your material ledger, enter the plant and execute. Finally, your material ledger should be set as a productive for this valuation area VA10 or for the plant team. Right now, you can able to create a material master for this VA10 plant after the set productive material. So these many parameters you have to activate, you have to check here. Okay, the unlock materials in the plant. Right now, it's done. So this is the initial stage in your implementation. You have to set material ledger productive. After that only, you can able to create a material master under that plant. So let's create one material by using the MM01T code for that newly created plant after the material ledger activation. Select industry sector material type, the basic views, click on a continue, enter that VA10 plant. Right now, here we can able to create a material master data for that plant. Okay, so let's create one material here. This is the one of the raw material LGT. Okay, page data for major, we can just mention here. Purchasing group under the purchasing view. Finally, we are coming into the accounting view here. As you are coming to the accounting view, we have to select the valuation class, which is the standard for your raw material, that is the 3000. And here in the accounting view in SAP S4HANA, you can able to see here that material ledger checkbox should be activated. And how this price determination is everything coming from your material ledger. So according to the transaction base, this accounting of that material should be determined as a transaction base. Here you can see the currency type, company code currency, everything will be come into the picture. Let's save this material data and our material got created here. So let's display that material by using MM03. So what was the exact benefit of using that material in a material ledger activation? We can able to create a material by using this after the material ledger activation. Hope you understand about the material ledger activation, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe YouTube channel If you want to learn more interesting thing in SAP S/4HANA sourcing and procurement, please follow our channel and visit our website www.taxskills.com. Thank you.